Time for some Monday birthdays here in the 4 states. We're going to start in Pittsburgh with Quinn Stewart celebrating the big number 1. Happy birthday, Quinn.
All right, Maverick Allen Thompson celebrating birthday number 2 this year. That's a cute picture there. In Mound Valley, Kansas, with love from Mimi and Papa.
And we've got Liam Berry celebrating birthday number 4. Happy birthday, Liam.
Michael Giefer celebrating birthday number 9 this year. Happy birthday, Michael. Hey, look at, did you see who he was with there?
I did not.
That was Dow and Doug.
Well, all right. See, we've got to start those fans young. We've also got Dalton Clyburn celebrating birthday number 9 in Galena. Happy birthday with a impressive catch there.
If we make him hold his hands up much longer, he's going to be tired. Yeah. All right, and Devin Heckert celebrating birthday number 28 this year. Devin is in Pittsburgh.
And we accidentally skipped one, but we've also got Cal Saporito celebrating birthday number 15 in Columbus. So we want to make sure we send happy birthday wishes to Cal in Columbus.
All right, and Robin Zorns turning 31 this year. Robin is in Riverton.
And we've got Allie Jones in Parsons celebrating a birthday today. And Allie is a 4th grade teacher. Happy birthday.
All right, Linda Decker. Happy birthday from your Crestline friends. Linda is in Pittsburgh.
And Warren Dooley celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Happy birthday, Warren.
All right, happy birthday. And happy birthday going out to Jean Hamilton, also in Columbus.
And we've also got Sandra Earle celebrating birthday number 71 in Jasper. A very happy birthday to you, Sandra.
And Tom Loftmiller celebrating birthday number 72 this year. Great picture there of Tom in Pittsburgh.
And of course, we talked about this. Margaret Hollinshead celebrating birthday number 112 in Chanute on Saturday. Absolutely. Congratulations going out to Margaret. And she's also the oldest living Kansan and a resident at Credo Senior Living Center. A very happy birthday to you.
She looks great.
She does.
She
Absolutely.
looks great. All right. Happy birthday, Margaret. I hope you can have many more to celebrate as well. And Denny Gillard turning 51 this year. Happy birthday, Denny.
All right. What a great list and a great way to celebrate Monday. How can people continue to celebrate with us, Tanya?
All they have to do is send us an email with all their birthday information, including their picture. Send it to this email, birthdays, don't forget the S, at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website checking out all the cool things it has to offer, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some great deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today.